Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, it's so hot. It's the summer season, and I love summer season. 其实我好喜欢夏天哦。
真的，我也是。
虽然很热，但是可以出去晒太阳，可以出去走走，去到海边，可以到这个山上去，都觉得很棒。对 ，It's time to go outdoors, and that's what we're going to do in this edition. But first, how do you say 好热哦 ？It's so hot.
很热哦。
很热哦 ，That means it's so hot. Alright， 我们就把这个好热哦，再加长一点好了。有的时候我们都会说，哦，太阳好大，对对 ，What a huge sun out there！ 当然很大啦，对不对？才会这么热。但我们怎么说呢？太阳好大，好热哦。
日頭凍辣，很熱哦。
日頭凍辣，很熱哦。
海陸腔，日頭。
日頭 ，OK， 差一點點而已哦，這個差別沒有那麼大。來 ，That's a different dialect of saying the sun。那我們到外面要踏踏青啊，對不對？享受大自然。剛好這個月呢 ，Leo 又跟我一起在介紹這個屏東地區一些好玩的地方啊。
可以去竹田哦。
哎，竹田很棒，可以去騎腳踏車，好不好？
對，還可以吹風。
That's right. Let's go ahead and teach you how to say that. Let's go to 竹田, which is in Pingtung County. Great place to go. Ride the bike and enjoy the breeze. Okay? 去竹田騎腳踏車，吹吹風如何？
來去竹田。
來去竹田。
去吃行茶。
去吃行茶。
吹一下風，用板。
哦，還要吹一下風，用板。那剛剛腳踏車要特別教怎麼說呢？
吃行茶。
吃行茶，好像要吃吃喝喝的感覺哦。可事實上是騎腳踏車啦哈。吃行茶 that means the bike, a bicycle.
順便還可以去參觀忠義祠。
Oh, that's right, Alice. We talked about this with Leo. The 忠義 temple is worth checking out, so let's go there too. 好啊，順便去參觀忠義祠，怎麼說呢？
好啊。
好啊。
順晒來去。
順晒來去。
參觀忠義祠。
參觀忠義祠 ，OK， 忠義祠 is something that we're teaching you. It's the 忠義 temple. But 順便，我覺得這個很好用。
順晒。
順晒 ，OK， that's 順便。At the same time, let's go and visit this temple. All right, let's review some of these vocabulary right here. The sun, 太陽。
日頭。
日頭 and then the bike.
吃行茶。
吃行茶 that's 腳踏車 And finally, the 忠義 temple. 忠義祠。
忠義祠。
忠義祠 And it's all about being so hot. 好熱哦。
很熱哦。
很熱哦。So stay cool, have fun in the summertime, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.